Tomahawk Ribeyes on a gas grill. Take 2. Welcome back to another episode of BluffCityGrub.
You've seen us before on Tomahawk Ribeye on a gas grill.
We have a different recipe we're going to give you for dry-aged Tomahawk Ribeyes.
We already know Greg's going to do a great job. It's not going to be tough. It's not going to be dried out. But he's also going to be giving us one of his best tips to add another layer
of flavor
to a Tomahawk Ribeye on a gas grill. Roll the intro. Put the meat down, Greg. Say that again. Look good in the picture.
Dry-aged Tomahawk Ribeye on a gas grill.
Are you sure you know how to cook that?
Apparently not.
If you like what you see today, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
You're dealing with me. You're dealing with me.
Greg, last time we cooked Tomahawk Ribeyes on a gas grill, they turned out great. You've spent the extra money on a dry-aged steak.
Yep.
I don't know why. Is there anything we're going to do different?
Well, for one, I didn't spend any money on it. I pulled a Joe and I actually got these steaks for free. So we're going to do a couple of things different. We got shallots. We got some fresh herbs over here for you. We're not going to dry brine them. We're going to add salt and seasoning to them right before we cook them. We're going to add a little bit of chimichurri on the back end of it. It's going to be delicious. Stay tuned for our tips that we're going to give you for
Tomahawk Ribeye on a gas grill. You going towards the camera?
I'm looking at the camera. You never look at the camera.
You're up.
Look at this beautiful Tomahawk Ribeye that we're about to cook on a gas grill. My cousin Matt supplied us with a Tomahawk Ribeye that's dry aged for 22 days. We want to make sure we get the sides off of it. It's really hard. Let's go ahead and cut some of that stuff off. Let's get that right on off of there. Just like that. It's pretty soft right there. We're good there. I think he took most of the hard cap off of there. Let's get this side off right here. Just like that. Oh, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and season this Tomahawk Ribeye and get it on the gas grill. All right, let's go ahead and give you a tip for this Tomahawk Ribeye. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take avocado oil. We're gonna spray both sides of this Tomahawk Ribeye. I know it seems a little weird, but it's gonna help that seasoning stick to the Tomahawk Ribeye really easily. Both sides just like that. And then we're gonna add just regular salt, pepper, and garlic. You can go heavy with it because it's a
big piece of meat. You can handle it, Greg. It's gonna make a beautiful crust as you cook with it.
Take your handle, flip it over. And guys, you gotta sit there and think, man, we're at the river right now. We're hanging out, we're having a good time. We don't have many cooking utensils, but we can still make food turn out really good.
All right, Greg, now that we've got our Tomahawk Ribeye seasoned, I think we're gonna let it sit out for about 30 minutes, come up towards room temperature as we make the chimichurri sauce.
Love it. All right, while our steak's coming up to room temperature, we're gonna go ahead and chop up the ingredients for our chimichurri sauce that we're gonna make. When you're chopping, bunch it up, just kind of makes it easier. Tuck your knuckles on there like that. We got our parsley. We're gonna get a little bit of shallot action rolling.
Peel the shallot, dice the shallot.
That's it, baby. Diced shallot. Shallot has a really good flavor. A bit different than the onion. A little more distinct, more flavorful. Some slices right down the middle of it. Makes it easier to dice it. Chimichurri is going to be delicious. A little bit of fresh garlic. Let's go ahead and chop this garlic up, fresh cut garlic, right in this chimichurri sauce. Tuck those knuckles. Make sure you chop that up as fine as you can get it. Add a little bit of spice to it. Chop that up really good. Put it right in there. All right, we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar to this herb mixture here. And then we're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna mix this up really good.
With the baster, oh.
Just like so. Now you want to season this with a little salt, pepper, garlic to taste. Very good. All right, here's one of the best tips I'm going to give you guys today is make sure your grates are clean and they're oiled. Our gas grill is coming up to temperature. We're going to let it get up to 400 degrees. We're going to sear it on this side right here. Really hot, really fast, and then we're going to put it off on the cold side to let it finish cooking off. We're going to cook it to probably about 120, 122 degrees and let it come up to temp.
Medium rare.
Medium rare. That's how we eat our steaks around here. Here we are. Let's go ahead and oil these grates. We got the handle for the tomahawk. It's dry aged. It's going to be delicious. Let's put it right over that fire. We're going to sear this guy up for about 3 minutes. Flip it over, get the other side. It's going to be delicious. Let's let it roll. Love it. Oh man, look at this tomahawk ribeye over here. Probably got a really good sear on it. Look at that, Joe. Throw it on the other side. Another hard sear. All right. Our steak has been rolling for another 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and get a temp on it. This tomahawk ribeye on the gas grill is already looking really good. We're looking at a temperature of 81 degrees. Let's throw this off on the side, let it come up to temp on our cold side of our grill. I'm gonna turn one burner off. Cooking kind of fast. Let's go ahead and turn that down. This dry aged tomahawk ribeye on the gas grill is gonna be delicious.
Greg, I feel like we're missing something.
Joe just wants me to add another layer of flavor. All right, let's go ahead and check our tomahawk ribeye dry aged on the gas grill. See what our temperature is. We're looking for 120, 120, and 125.
Perfect. You have not overcooked this.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and take the steak off and let it rest up. Aluminum foil, right over the top. Let it rest up. All the juices kind of relax, go back into the meat, and then we'll slice it up. Tomahawk ribeye has been resting for 10 minutes. Oh, it's looking delicious. Let's go ahead and slice this bad boy up. Right on the side of the tomahawk, meat handle. Boom, just like that. Oh man, look how juicy this steak is. Tomahawk ribeye, dry aged on a gas grill.
Look at this beautiful tomahawk ribeye.
Steak looks delicious. Let's go ahead and add that finishing touch right here. We have a little bit of that chimichurri sauce.
There we go. All right.
Does that look good for you?
Yeah.